Today we are going to learn about advanced Pandas filtering with query method. You will discover how to apply complex filters using the query method, enhancing your data analysis skills in professional settings. Welcome to this tutorial on advanced Pandas filtering using the query method. In the realm of data analysis, the ability to efficiently filter and manipulate data is crucial. The Pandas library in Python offers a variety of techniques for data filtering, but the query method stands out due to its simplicity and efficiency. In this video, we'll embark on a journey to explore how the query method simplifies the process of data filtering, enhances readability, and boosts performance. By the end of this session, you'll be equipped with the skills to apply complex filters using the query method, making your data analysis more effective and efficient. Traditional data filtering in Pandas often involves chaining multiple conditions using logical operators, which can become cumbersome and difficult to read. The query method offers a more elegant solution. With its SQL-like syntax, query makes it easier to express complex filtering conditions in a single line of code. This improved readability is not just about aesthetics, it also means fewer errors and easier maintenance. Additionally, the query method can lead to performance enhancements, especially when dealing with large datasets. By reducing the complexity of your code, you can run complex queries more efficiently, which is vital in professional data analysis where time and accuracy are of the essence.
The query method in Pandas adopts an SQL-like syntax, which is intuitive for those familiar with SQL. To use it, you simply call the method on a data frame and pass your query as a string. For example, if you have a data frame named df and you want to filter rows where column A is greater than 5, you'd use df.query a greater than 5. This concise syntax is what makes query particularly powerful. You can also combine conditions using logical operators like and, or, and not, all within a single query. This ability to streamline complex filtering conditions into a single line of code not only enhances readability but also reduces the likelihood of errors.
One of the standout features of the query method is its ability to incorporate variables from your Python environment directly into the query. This is achieved using the @ symbol. For instance, suppose you have a variable threshold set to 10 and you want to filter rows where column B is greater than this threshold. You can do this with df.query be greater than at threshold. This dynamic filtering capability allows for greater flexibility in your data analysis, enabling you to adapt your queries based on changing conditions or inputs. By integrating variables into your queries, you can handle more complex conditions with ease, enhancing the overall flexibility and power of your data filtering. The query method shines when it comes to filtering data based on multiple column conditions. By leveraging logical operators, you can construct complex queries that span multiple columns. For example, if you want to filter rows where column A is greater than 5 and column B is less than 20, you can do so with df.query a greater than 5 and B less than 20. This streamlined approach not only enhances the readability of your code but also allows for efficient data selection across multiple dimensions. Multi-column filtering is particularly useful in scenarios where you need to sift through large datasets to find specific data patterns or trends, making it a valuable tool in the data analyst toolkit. The query method is not just about syntactical elegance, it also offers tangible performance benefits. When working with large datasets, performance becomes a critical factor. The query method is optimized for such scenarios, often resulting in faster execution and reduced memory usage compared to traditional filtering techniques. By efficiently handling complex queries, the query method allows you to focus on high-volume data analysis without being bogged down by performance bottlenecks. This makes it an ideal choice for professional settings where time and resources are at premium, ensuring that your data analysis processes are both effective and efficient. While the query method offers many advantages, it's not without its pitfalls. Common errors often arise from syntax mistakes or misunderstanding the method's limitations. For instance, string comparisons in queries should be enclosed in quotes. Another common issue is not recognizing the difference between equals and equals equals for assignment and comparison, respectively. Additionally, the query method does not support all Python expressions, which can lead to unexpected errors. To troubleshoot, always double-check your syntax and ensure that the conditions you specify are supported. Adopting best practices for error handling, such as using try-except blocks, can also help mitigate issues and streamline your debugging process.
To fully appreciate the power of the query method, it's helpful to explore its applications in real-world scenarios. Consider a retail dataset where you need to identify products with sales over a certain threshold while also being in stock. Using the query method, you can efficiently filter the dataset with df.query sales greater than threshold and an _stock equals true. In the finance industry, analysts might use query to filter stock data based on multiple conditions, such as price range and trading volume. These practical examples demonstrate how the query method can enhance your data projects, enabling more effective data-driven decision-making across various industries. For those looking to push the boundaries of what's possible with the query method, advanced techniques offer a wealth of possibilities. You can craft nested queries to apply multi-level filtering, or handle missing data by incorporating conditions that exclude null entries. By leveraging the flexibility of the query method, you can perform complex data cleansing operations, ensuring that your datasets are accurate and reliable. Advanced filtering strategies also allow you to target specific data segments with precision, making the query method an indispensable tool for sophisticated data analysis tasks.
To maximize the effectiveness of the query method, it's important to adhere to best practices. Writing efficient queries involves minimizing complexity and focusing on clarity. Maintaining code readability is crucial, not only for your own understanding but also for collaboration with others. Optimizing performance means being mindful of resource usage, especially when dealing with large datasets. Ensuring query accuracy involves thorough testing and validation of results. Lastly, adopting a consistent coding style helps maintain a cohesive and professional codebase. By following these best practices, you can harness the full potential of the query method in your data analysis projects.
The query method can be seamlessly integrated with other Pandas functions to enhance your data manipulation capabilities. By combining query with functions like group by, merge, and pivot_table, you can streamline your data workflows and create comprehensive analyses. This integration maximizes the synergy between different tools, allowing for more sophisticated and efficient data processing. Whether you're aggregating data, joining datasets, or reshaping data structures, the query method serves as a powerful tool in your data analysis arsenal, enabling you to tackle complex projects with ease. In conclusion, the Pandas query method is a powerful tool for advanced data filtering, offering significant advantages over traditional techniques. Its ability to simplify syntax, enhance readability, and improve performance makes it invaluable for professional data analysis. As you've learned, the query method is versatile, efficient, and applicable across a wide range of real-world scenarios. I encourage you to practice these skills and explore further learning opportunities to deepen your understanding and proficiency in data analysis. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing the innovative ways you'll apply the query method in your projects.